All right, so I got the engine torn down just as far as I need to see for now, which is pretty much mostly just the top end. And let me tell you this, it's not the results that I was expecting or hoping for. I've got a little bit of damage to the top of one of the pistons, corresponding damage to the cylinder head. But worse than that, I've got corrosion that pitted the inside of the cylinder head. So I don't know what I'm gonna have to do here. I may be able to source a head, or I might have to go out and get that head bored and get new pistons for it. Either way, not what I was hoping for, but this is life with a 37-year-old motorcycle that's been sitting around for 18 years.